Hey, gearheads, welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best car video camera that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started.
Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance. Number 6.
In our list, the number 6 product name is Suvcon M2 Dashcam. To begin with, the Suvcon M2 Dashcam is a must-have for any driver seeking enhanced safety and reliability. Featuring a dual camera setup, the front captures ultra-clear 4K resolution, while the rear records at 1080p. With a 170p DAG wide-angle front lens and 150 DAG waterproof rear lens, I never miss critical details like license plates or road signs. Even in low-light conditions, the WDR technology ensures clear footage. Furthermore, the built-in Wi-Fi and Vidger app make managing my recordings a breeze. I can effortlessly connect to my smartphone to view, download, and edit videos directly from the app. Sharing memorable or important footage with friends or on social media has never been easier. Pros: wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots. G-sensor locks collision footage automatically. 24-hour parking monitoring for extra security. Cons: parking monitor requires additional hardware purchase. Pro battery suitable only for emergency use.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Azdome M01 Pro Dashcam. To begin with, the Azdome M01 Pro Dual Dashcam offers the security of dual recording, featuring a Full HD 1080p front camera and a 120 deg rear lens. Combined with a 150 deg wide-angle front lens, it captures clear, comprehensive footage of the road from every angle, ensuring peace of mind while driving. Moreover, this dashcam comes with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, providing lane departure and forward collision warnings. These timely alerts help me stay focused and reduce the risk of accidents, making every drive safer. Pros: dual 1080p recording with wide-angle coverage for all. Excellent night vision ensures clarity in low-light conditions. Comes with a free 64 GB SD card and 2 mounting options. No Wi-Fi support for smartphone connectivity. Requires formatting the SD card before first use.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Yansoo Dual Dash Cam X88. To start, the Yansoo X88 Dual Dashcam offers Full HD 1080p recording for both front and interior views, covering up to 6 lanes and ensuring no blind spots. The 170 deg wide-angle front lens and 140 deg interior lens make it perfect for daily driving or capturing essential evidence for insurance disputes. Additionally, the super infrared night vision with WDR technology makes driving in low-light conditions effortless. Equipped with 4.8 aperture and 4 infrared LED lights, this dash cam ensures crystal clear video day and night, making it an excellent choice for rideshare drivers like Uber and Lyft. Pros: dual 1080p wide-angle recording for comprehensive coverage. Easy installation and user-friendly interface. Cons: micro SD card not included, additional purchase required. Suction cup installation requires careful setup for a secure fit.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Merolstent 4K. Firstly, the Merolstent 4K Dashcam offers dual recording with 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera. This provides crystal clear footage of both the road ahead and behind, ensuring that you capture all necessary details for safety or insurance purposes. The 170 deg wide-angle front lens and 140 deg rear lens eliminate blind spots. Additionally, the dashcam comes with exceptional night vision capabilities, thanks to its f/1.8 aperture, WDR, and HDR technology. This allows for clear video recordings, even in low-light environments or during bad weather conditions. Whether it's night driving, rain, or snow, the Merolstent ensures optimal recording quality. Pros: 4K front and 1080p rear recording for detailed footage. 24-hour parking mode with motion detection. Free 64 GP card included for instant use. Cons: Parking mode requires a hardwire kit. So no reversing guidance line support from your camera.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Rove R2-4K dashcam. Firstly, the Rove R2-4K dashcam delivers exceptional video quality with 2160p Ultra HD recording. This high-resolution recording captures all the critical details from license plates to road signs, ensuring that every moment on the road is documented in stunning clarity. And whether you're driving during the day or night, the Super Night Vision technology with its f/.5 aperture and Sony IMX 335 sensor provides excellent visibility even in low light conditions. Additionally, the dashcam features built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to manage recording seamlessly using the Rove app on your iOS or Android device. You can download 4K videos at speeds up to 6 Mbps and easily share your footage with friends and family. This app connectivity makes it incredibly convenient to access and manage your dashcam footage in real time. Rove's 4K Ultra HD resolution for crystal clear footage. Anyway, accurate GPS tracking of location, speed, and route. Parking mode for added security when the car is parked. Things calls. Memory card not included, required up to 512 GB. The wide-angle lens may distort edges in certain views.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Redtiger F7NP dashcam. Firstly, the Redtiger F7NP dashcam offers ultra-high definition recording with 4K front and 1080p rear cameras, providing crystal clear video quality. With resolutions of up to 3,840 to 2,160p, this dual camera system captures all the essential details, from road signs to license plates. The 170D wide-angle lens in the front and 140D in the rear minimize blind spots, ensuring that no crucial footage is missed in the event of an accident. Additionally, the dashcam features superior night vision capabilities. Equipped with an f/.5 aperture and 6-layer glass lens, it ensures clear and sharp footage even in low-light conditions. The HDR/WDR technology further enhances visibility, making it perfect for both day and night recording. Whether driving at night or in challenging lighting, the F7NP delivers reliable and accurate footage. Lastly, pros. GPS for precise location tracking and route recording, continuous recording with loop and G-sensor features, 24-hour parking mode for added vehicle security, additional hardware kit required for parking mode installation. The rear camera cable may be too short for larger vehicles. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below.